So today I was going over how I can set up my projects with Prettier, ESLint, and everything. Um, it can be shared across the team for making efficient uh, rules for the project. For example, I realize I've wasted a lot of time sorting the import, sorting props, and all this, right? So either I don't want to do that, or it's better to do that, but it's a thing that should be automated. So I was looking at how can I automate all these stupid things. I surprisingly waste a lot of time doing all this because the red squiggly lines are very annoying. So I just doing that. So today I was looking into DevTools like Prettier, ESLint, how to configure them, how to set them up for the project, Husky, and today I found some tool called Lint, Lint staging or stage link something, which lint things when they are in staging. So that is quite interesting. I will probably use that in the project somewhere. I was also reading a blog from Dan Abramov about uh, elements of UI, like what things in the UI are there, and how front end is more than just about components and everything. Like accessibility, even making something without library is such a challenge, and so can be such a good learning experience. So I will do that also. I will build things without any other libraries, try to build things in vanilla JS to learn more about these things. I remember once I saw article or like a commit from Dan Abramov about how he implemented Redux in Vanilla JS, which was like good. Like I have never used Redux out of React, so that is something very interesting. Um, yeah, so I was also planning on using use reducer a lot in my project. I was using state for complex state management, and yes. On the performance thing, while I was doing the performance thing, I found a lot of loopholes and what issues are being caused. So animations like React Spring and Lottie, these do cause main thread blocking, not that much, very small percent, but in the performance tab, this shows up a lot. So I was resolving them also. I was also accidentally I stumbled upon Firebase notification, how admin side of these things are maintained, and these things it's quite interesting. I was also looking in Vim how I can I revert the change which is done in the last buffer, like in VS Code when all the changes are there and I want to revert the file, then you have to revert the file to the last git commit, right? Last git hit, right? I was looking how to do that in Vim. I could not find a solution. That then I also found about this Prettier challenge, and uh, which was there to convert the Prettier code from JS to Rust. And apparently, Biome.js won that contest. So it was pretty cool. And I was going through how Facebook implemented Prettier slowly into their code base gradually. So they used something of partial implementation, something like that. There was an article on that. I will read that as well. So yeah, that's all for today. I was just looking into tools, not diving too deep into anything. Just dev tools, simple stuff. Yeah, that's about it for today.